Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering only the system. Turn the key to accessory or press the infotainment power so the GPS stays energized. Once done, back up saved locations to USB or the cloud so nothing is lost. Make sure you locate the GPS module and the reset pin or fuse in the vehicle manual. This prevents guessing. Then remove system power using the dedicated fuse or the reset hole. Hold until the screen blanks. This is the quickest way to clear transient errors before a deeper reset. You now perform the software-level reset. Navigate settings to navigation, then choose system or restore to factory defaults. Once confirmed, make sure the unit reboots fully. Do not interrupt. If problems persist, download the OEM update file to USB or SD and run the firmware update following prompts. This repairs corrupted maps and firmware. After the update, place the car under open sky and let the GPS require satellites for 10 to 15 minutes to rebuild almanac. You finish by restoring personal settings. Set time, units, and re-enter critical addresses, then run a test route to confirm guidance and voice prompts work. If the system still won't acquire a fix, inspect the GPS antenna connection for corrosion or a loose coax and check the dedicated 1 to 2 amp GPS fuse. Replace if blown. Make sure to reboot after hardware fixes. If all else fails, use your phone's hotspot and Map app as a reliable temporary navigation method while arranging professional service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.